right, good morning, world. If you're just waking up, we've been here since 6:30. We'll be here until 8 o'clock. This is Smile Jamaica, the greatest morning show in the world. And I want to say good morning to our hospitality team, Miss Dockery and Miss, who in there? Miss Sonia, we love you. Beg your next black coffee, please. It's going to be a great morning. Now, our producer has given us the beginning of a few sentences for us to complete. However, we want to complete
however we want to.
Yeah, so however we want to complete the sentence, we just do it.
Yeah, but you have to have some decent. All right, put up the first one.
So, what?
If I were not at work, I would be fast asleep in my bed right now.
If I were not at work, I would be at...
Oh,
you. Okay, bye.
Yeah, let me say it already.
Oh, it's for Neville. Oh.
If I were not at work, I'd be fast asleep in my bed.
Okay.
What more you want me to say?
My nose itches because Neville's cologne doesn't smell so good.
I like that. What's the next one? Come now. When I'm alone, I do things that you wouldn't want to know what I do.
That's true, though. The chicken said,
Which chicken said that? Which chicken ever hear? No.
Oh, the chicken said, I can't talk.
Oh. The chicken said, cock-a-doodle-doo. Go on again, how the chicken sound?
What make that sound there?
When I'm hungry, I can't tell you what I eat. When I'm hungry, I eat food. No, leave course out that. When I'm hungry, when I am hungry,
yes,
I eat food. Sometimes I eat other things.
Yes. Like what? Snails? Food. What do you eat? Plastic?
No.
Paper?
Like fruits.
Okay.
And
fruits.
And vegetables.
Lovely. It's very healthy.
And fish.
You're a healthy man. You're a healthy man. He doesn't eat pork.
No, I don't.
But he eats other food. I took the pants off because I am losing 20 pounds in the next 8 weeks.
Oh, is your pants sit talking about?
Yeah. Oh. Yes, I am.
Okay, you don't have pants. I dreamt I was married to Empress. And then I realized it was a nightmare. Then I realized it was a nightmare.
That's a good one. Oh, Miss Dockery, I love you. You reach with my coffee. She's so sweet.
Bring it, come, Miss Doc. What's the next one?
Bring it, come, man. Miss Dockery, come in, because you've been on TV before. Don't be shy.
Your time.
Bring it, let the world see.
Your one.
Yes. Smile Jamaica is the greatest morning show in the world because we have Miss Dockery right here. Show them Miss Dockery. That is my auntie. She brings me the best black coffee in the world. It's a very long sentence.
Smile Jamaica is...
I just said it, the best morning show in the world because we have people like Miss Dockery who brings me strong black coffee.
It's
a long sentence, but it's a sentence.
It's lame too.
Why?
Come again. What's the next one? Shoes are to be...
Check my shoes. Check my shoes and say, come, give me a hand.
Shoes are to be worn
Tell them that.
on your left foot alone.
What kind of game? Shoes are to be like mine. We should say shoes are to be like Empress.
No, shoes are to be worn without eyeglasses. It's Richard tell me that one.
There we go.
What is a bow tie is not eyeglasses?
No, they're sunglasses. They're sunglasses.
They're sunglasses. They're not bow tie. Yes. You were right.
Yes. Yeah. All right, there you go.
Next one for Empress.
All right, where's mine? Oh, you look like a little peanut head elf.
Me? How me get involved in a sentence?
You took it personal. I just made a sentence. You look like a peanut head elf.
I take it personally.
You know.
I take it personally.
Sometimes you just have to smile. When there's so much sadness in our country, our producer Unique brings this to us to make us smile. All right? Have fun with that game at home when you don't know what to do with the family and you're bored. Then have a sentence game. Give everybody the start of the sentence and they have to, without pausing or hesitation, extend and finish the sentence. What's wrong, Neville? Something, are you okay? Is it because I said you're a peanut head elf? I didn't say you. I was making up a story from the sentence.
I would never do that on television to
that?
you. I would never treat you like that. No. I don't think I'm ever going to work with you again.
Never. I was reading
I'm upset. No,
it was a sentence.
And you cannot be smiling when I'm so upset.
Don't take it so serious. Your head look like a peanut? Let's look.
Like peanut.
I was just speaking like I was saying it. It had nothing to do. The question is, does your head look like a peanut?
Be quiet. I hope you have triplets.
Oh, yeah.
Using 5 when you come back.
I'm making your godfather to all of them.
What's in mind? What's so cool?
Oh, my.